Most homes don't actually feel small because of their size. They feel small because of design mistakes, heavy furniture, too many decorations, dark colors, and unnecessary textures. Interior designers use simple tricks to make a home feel 2 or 3 times larger, sometimes without renovating a single wall. I am Ceylan, interior designer and architect here in Dubai. Today, I am going to show you the powerful design ideas that can make your home feel 2x bigger. We are breaking down each design mistakes one by one, and I will show you right on the screen how these simple changes instantly make the room feel 2x bigger and brighter. And the best part, most of these fixes cost almost nothing. Let's transform this space together. But first, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe and like. It genuinely helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more real life contents. So, after your subscription, let's dive in. Using bulky furniture. Bulky furniture overwhelms a room and instantly makes it feel smaller than it is. In a moment, I will show you exactly what this looks like through the pictures. Before, bulky furniture makes the room feel smaller. In the first image, the living room is filled with oversized furniture that visually shrinks the space. The large sectional sofa wraps around almost the entire seating area, creating a heavy block in the middle of the room. Because of the sofa is deep, thick, and low to the floor, it hides most of the visible flooring, which makes the room feel more crowded than it actually is. Meanwhile, the bulky Ottoman coffee table in the corner adds another visual mass. Instead of feeling light and open, the middle of the room becomes heavy and compressed. When multiple large pieces like this dominate the layout, even a bright room with big windows can feel smaller. After, slim furniture creates a big feeling. In the second image, the layout is simplified using slimmer and lighter furniture. Instead of oversized sectional, the space uses a single slim sofa with raised legs. Because of sofa sits higher and allows you to see the floor underneath, the room immediately feels more open. Two lightweight accent chair replace the extra bulky seating. This keeps the seating functional but removes the heavy visual weight from the space. The bulky ottoman is also replaced with a modern slim coffee table with thin legs. This allows light and slightness to pass through the center of the room, making the layout feel airy. So, why this works? Designers pay attention to visual weight, not just furniture size. Pieces with slimmer frames and open legs let your eye move too easily through the room. So, the whole space feels larger and brighter, even though nothing about the actual room size has changed. Here is another example. Before, bulky sofa and heavy wall design. In the first image, the room feels visually heavy because of the oversized sofa and thick rounded furniture forms. The sofa has deep cushions, thick arms and bulky base that sits almost directly on the floor. Because of this, most of the floor area is hidden, making the room feel more compressed and crowded. The coffee table is also large and heavy, adding more visual weight in the center of the room. When large furniture pieces sit low and wide like this, they dominate the space and make the layout feel tighter than it actually is. The wall design also contributes to this feeling. The decorative wooden panels with large circular cutouts create busy visual patterns. While interesting, these shapes break the vertical lines of the room and make the wall feel more fragmented instead of taller. After, slim furniture and vertical wall lines. In the second image, the same room instantly feels more spacious because the furniture has been simplified. The bulky sofa is replaced with two slim sofas with thin legs, which lift the furniture off the floor. Because you can now see the floor underneath, the room feels lighter and more open. The seating layout is more balanced. instead of one massive piece of furniture dominating the space. Two slimmer sofas create a cleaner and more organized arrangement. Another important change is the wall treatment. The wall panels now use straight vertical wooden lines instead of circular patterns. Vertical lines naturally draw the eye upward, which makes the wall appear taller and the room feel larger. This subtle detail dramatically improves the sense of space. So, why this works? This works because designers manage visual weight and vertical flow. Slim furniture with open legs shows more flow instantly, making the room feel bigger. Vertical lines draw the eye upward, adding height and openness. When you combine lighter furniture with vertical elements, the space feels larger, calmer, and more modern. And most importantly, without changing its actual size. Less shelves and lighter furniture. Using fewer shelves instantly reduces visual clutter and helps the room feel calmer and more open. I will show you exactly what this looks like through the pictures. Before, too many shelves and dark furniture. In this first image, the room feels visually crowded because of the large amount of open shelving and decorative objects. The wall is filled with multiple floating shelves and a large bookshelves, packed with decor, plants, frames, and accessories. While each piece may look nice individually, but together they create visual clutter. The shelving unit on the right side is also fully open and completely filled, which makes the wall feel busy and heavy. When every shelf is occupied with small objects, the eye has nowhere to rest, making the space feel tighter and smaller. Another factor is slightly darker wood tone of the shelving and furniture. Darker tones absorb more light and visually add weight to the room. Combined with the number of decorative items, the furniture begins to dominate the space rather than support it. After fewer shelves and lighter storage design. In the second image, the layout becomes much more calmer and more spacious because of the shelving has been simplified. Instead of filling the wall with many floating shelves, only two minimal shelves remain, each styled with just a few carefully selected pieces. On the right side, the large shelving unit is redesigned with a mix of open shelves and closed cabinets on the bottom. The lower cabinets hide storage and reduce visual clutter, while the upper shelves display only a few objects. This balance keeps the wall functional but visually lighter. The furniture and shelving are also finished in a lighter color palette, which reflects more light and softens the overall look of the room. The lighter tones combined with fewer objects allow the room to feel more open and breathable. So, why this works? This works because reducing visual clutter instantly opens up a space. Too many open shelves create a noise for the eye and make the room feel smaller. By limiting open shelving, adding closed storage, and using lighter materials, you create more negative space and allow the eye to move freely. As a result, the room feels cleaner, brighter, and much more larger. And of course, without changing its actual size. Dark color selection. Dark color choices can make a room feel smaller and heavier by absorbing light and reducing the sense of openness. Let me show you the examples through the pictures. Before, dark walls make the room feel smaller. The room feels heavier and slightly smaller because of the dark walls absorb light instead of reflecting it. Even with the large windows, the darker tones visually pull the walls inward and make the space feel more enclosed. The strong contrast around the windows also breaks the flow of the room, making it look tighter. While dark colors can be cozy, using them on most walls can unintentionally shrink the space. After Light walls make the room feel bigger. The room instantly feels brighter and more spacious because the light walls reflect natural light instead of absorbing it. The softer tones blend with the ceiling and the window frames, making the boundaries of the room feel less defined and giving the illusion of more space. The single dark accent wall behind the sofa adds contrast and depth without making the room feel heavy. So, why this works? This works because light colors reflect natural light, helping the walls visually recede and making the room feel larger. Adding just one dark accent wall creates contrast and personality without weighting down the space. Together, they keep the room open, balanced, and visually interesting. Last one, showing three design mistakes, makes the room smaller. This one is a great example that shows three design mistakes in one shot. Before, three design mistakes that make the room feel smaller. In the first image, the room feels much smaller than it actually is because of three common interior design mistakes. The first issue is the dark wall color used across most of the room. Dark blue and deep tones absorb natural light rather than reflecting it. Even though the room has a window, the darker walls visually close the space and make the room feel heavier and more enclosed. The second problem is the number of open shelves filled with objects. The shelves on the right side are packed with books, decorations, plants, and accessories. When many small objects fill the wall, it creates visual clutter. The eye constantly jumps between items instead of resting, which makes the room feel tighter. The third mistake is the bulky sectional sofa. The large green sofa is deep and sits low to the floor. Its thick cushions and wide shape take up a lot of visual space, making the room appear crowded and compressed. When these three elements combined, dark wall, too many shelves, and oversized furniture, the room starts to feel smaller and visually overwhelming after a brighter and more spacious layout. In the second image, the same room immediately feels larger and calmer because of the design has been simplified. First, the walls are painted in lighter neutral color. Light tones reflect natural light throughout the room, making the space brighter and visually expanding the walls. This simple change alone makes the room feel more open. Second, the shelving has been reduced significantly. Instead of multiple shelves filled with many objects, only a couple of minimal floating shelves remain with a few carefully styled items. This reduces visual clutter and allows the wall to breathe. Third, the bulky sectional sofa is replaced with slimmer furniture pieces. The new sofa and chair have thinner arms, lighter proportions, and raised legs because you can see the floor underneath the furniture. The space feels more open and airy. So, why this works? This works because designers focus on light reflection, visual weight, and reducing clutter. Light walls bounce more natural light and make the room feel larger. Fewer shelves and decorations cut visual noise, so the eye moves more comfortably through the space. Slimmer furniture with open legs also lightens the room and reveals more floor. Together, lighter walls, fewer shelves, and lighter furniture. The space instantly feels bigger, brighter, and more calmer. And as I'm always mentioning, all of these will happen without changing any actual size. So let's wrap it up. Most homes don't actually feel small because of their size. They feel small because of design mistakes, like I mentioned above. Heavy furniture, dark walls, and too much clutter. But as you saw, a few smart design decisions can make the same space feel dramatically bigger. If you want to learn more interior design secrets like this, make sure you subscribe to the Designerist because Every week, we break down simple design ideas that can completely change how your home looks and feels. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.